Hello sa inyong lahat and welcome sa aking channel. And ngayon ituturo ko na naman sa inyo Skusta Clee song. Ito yung pinaka-trending na pop OPM ng 2020, Dance With You. So napaka-hype nung kanta and sobrang hinahangaan ko din yung singer na to na si Skusta Clee kasi ang galing niya magsulat. So nasa standard tuning tayo. First fret tayo para madali yung chords. Actually, yung chords na gagamitin natin is 5 chords lang all the way sa last part. So, let's start. So, first chord na gagamitin natin is, before ko ituturo pala sa inyo yung all the way ng chords na gagamitin, is kailangan familiarize muna inyo yung kanta at saka yung beat, kasi pag mahirap, pag alam mo na yung chords pero hindi mo alam ang takbo ng kanta, hindi mo makukuha yun. So first chord is C major 7, pero kung nahihirapan kang mag bar chords, you can use this chord. Middle finger nasa 3rd fret, 5th string, and then index finger 2nd fret, 4th string. So C major 7. Next chord is D major. Actually, kung yung basic na D chord lang, pwede ito yung kanta, or D9. Pero mas I prefer to use this chord. Parang nagsisi ka lang. Kung alam mo yung C, ito, ay transfer mo lang yung C chord sa 5th fret. Nakakapong 1st fret tayo, so 5th fret na to. So ito yung D major. D major is ring finger, 5th fret, 5th string, middle finger, 4th fret, 4th string, and then mute, 3rd string, and then itong index finger nasa 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd string. So next, 3rd chord, E minor. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Basic lang to na chord. So index finger, 5th string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. Next is D minor. So parang nag-A major 7 ka sa 2nd fret. Index finger nasa 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger nasa 3rd, nasa 4th string, 3rd fret, ring finger is nasa 3rd fret, 2nd string. So yan yung chords na gagamitin natin all the way hanggang matapos yung kanta. Pero one thing na alamin natin is yung measures ng kanta, pero hindi ko i-explain sa inyo yung elements ng music kasi para hindi kayo mahirapan. Ang ituturo ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung counting bawat chords para paano magpasok ng next chord. So ganito yan. So sa first chord is C major 7. So ito is merong 2 counts pero 8 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is sa sa second chord tayo. Yung second chord is passing chord siya papuntang E minor. D major to E minor. So yung count ng D major chord is 1, 2. Lipat sa E minor. So, ulitin ko. C major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1. So, itong E minor na chord is 8 counts and 3 counts. So, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Passing chord ulit. Yung passing chord ng E minor is D minor. Yung sinabi ko parang A major. Ito. So, ito passing chord to 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Last chord is G7. Parang hindi ko nasabi kanina pero I will. Ito yung last chord natin. G7. So G7 is naka-bar chord tayo sa 3rd fret. Yung index finger natin 3rd fret, and then ring finger nasa 5th fret, 5th string, and then middle finger nasa 3rd string, 4th fret. Okay, yan yung last key na gagamitin natin. Passing chord din siya. Pabalik sa C major 7. So, ulitin ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So, yun yung takbo ng kanyang kanta all the way hanggang matapos. So, yun lang. Tandaan nyo lang yung counting. Sa first chord, meron tayong 8 and 6 counts. 8 counts and 6 counts. Passing chord to D major. 2 counts lang ito. Papuntang E minor. E minor, meron tayong 8 counts at saka 3 counts. So, next chord is D minor. I think it's minor chord pa rin para sa akin. You can check it sa Google kung anong chord to, kasi hindi ako sure kung D minor ba talaga. So, next, last chord natin gagamitin, G7. So, yan. Madali lang siya, pero you need to familiarize the song, yung rhythmic pattern niya, yung paano maggalaw yung mga chords. Sa timing lang talaga. And before mo makuha yung timing, familiarize the song para hindi ka na mahihirapan sa pag-change ng chords. Yan lang. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, just click subscribe button para updated kayo sa mga bagong tutorial ko, and also follow my Facebook page. Nasa link yung description. And if you have also a request, you can comment down below here or on also my Facebook page. Baka matsambahan ko yung chords or kanta na gagawan ko ng tutorial. So, yun lang.